Hello kids, come closer. Let me show you a simple way to convert non-terminating recurring decimal numbers like this into a fraction. But before we start, let me remind you something. If you have a number like 0.2 that keeps on recording, 2 keeps on recording like 0.22222, a single digit 2 keeps on recording, this is the same thing as that number that keeps on recording, which is 2 divided by 9. This 9 is always there as constant. And if you have 0. maybe 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 keeps on recording, you take the digits that keeps on recording. In this case, we have 2 of them, 1 and 2, right? Divide by 9, 9. Because the digits are 2, you have to divide by 2 9s. If you have 0.321, 321 that keeps on recording, you take the number 321, you divide by 999. So this will always give you this. If you hit your calculator, this will give you this, this will give you this. But in a situation whereby you have 0.1, the only digit that keeps on recording here is 3, not 1 and 3. So you cannot apply this immediately. Hence, you have to break it down into 0.3333. And how can we do that? Let me show you. First of all, you can break this into 0.1. Separate it from the original number. So you have plus 0.03 recording. If once you add this, you are going to get this back. You should know that. Remember, this decimal point will have to be here. Therefore, this one will have to be under 0. So eventually you have 0.13 if you add them together. This is also not the same thing as 0.33 because we have this 0. So we have to make sure that we have only 0.333. Again, you break it down. 0.1 plus 0.3 recording, but divide by 10. Remember, if you divide this number by 10, it is going to give you this back. Definitely try it. 0.3 divided by 10 will give you 0.03. Let's continue. And I would like to bring 1/10 here, right? Because it is the same thing as writing 0.1 plus 1/10 times 0.3 recording. You should know that this and this are the same thing. So now we can confidently convert this into a fraction. But I know 0.1 is the same thing as 1/10. So I have 1/10 right here times another 1/10. Okay, this is plus, sorry. Times, this is 3 that keeps on recording, divide by 9. Yes. 1/10 plus, if you multiply this, will give us what? Though you can write this as 1/3 because 3 can divide 3 one time and it can divide 9 exactly 3 times. So you have 1/10 times 1/3. This is equal to 1/10 plus 1/30. So what is the LCM of 10 and 30? It's 30, right? So the denominator will be 30. The top, this can go here 3 times. This can go here how many times? 1 time. So that 3, you multiply by 1, you have what? Okay, 10 into 30 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 30 into 30 is 1 times 1 is 1. So you see, finally we have 4/30. Where should I write it? 4 divided by 30 is the fraction, but we can still reduce it into the simplest form because 2 can divide this exactly 2 times and 2 can divide 30 exactly 15 times. So take your calculator, press 2 divided by 15, you will definitely get 0.13333333 recording.